afternoon, good evening. The story wey Mama JP get today na im be dis. Dis story concern man and woman, and the topic of the story na boy children and girls children. E get some men for dis world wey God go bless with girls children. Dem go say na so so girls na im my wife born oo, everything go come change for the house. E get some men too wey God go bless with so so boys. Dem go dey tell the woman, you no even get the one wey e go dey help you for kitchen. Boys no dey cook, na only girls dey cook. E get one thing wey we human being no want or wey we no value. We dey want make God dey answer our prayer in our own way. E no work. Na the time wey e take convenience for God na im go take answer your prayer. You no fit force am make e do wetin e no wan do for you. If God give you girls children, appreciate am. If you give you boys children, appreciate am. God's blessing no be wetin dem dey buy for market. Dem no dey buy God blessing for market oo. Dem no dey win am oo. But if you let God prevail for your life, all im blessing na free. You no go win am, you no go see am buy, but na im go give you for free. If you no let God enter your life, make e do wetin e wan do for you, carry money go find blessing, you no go see am buy. E get dis two friends wey I wan tell una their story. Dis two friends names na one, James and John. Dem no be twins oo, but people dey call dem twins from different mother because of the way wey dem take close. James marry, e come get so so girls. John marry, e come get so so boys. And many people no know say dem no relate, but dem dey call dem brothers, the way wey their relationship take close. When these children, at times when dem dey go party, you go see the boys, the way wey dem take dress dem, people go dey jealous. Some go dey envy dem. Na why to say na me get these children oo. And the girls wey dey, when their mama go dress dem, put different ribbon for their head, wey go take decorate their head, some people go still dey envy dem, say to say na me get children like this. But when these children come grow to adults, dem come discover say their fathers dey close. Dem come dey ask question, Baba, you with this man una relate? Dem come say no, their age mate, dem grow up together. Na the same place dem for born dem, the same years, the same months na im dem born dem. So many people dey call us twins, but we no be twins. So the children too, all of dem come dey play together. Na so dem come dey go primary school, go secondary school, go university, all of dem come graduate. E come reach one time, the one wey get boys come dey sick. And three of the boys don marry. Dem go admit their papa for hospital. The boys wives, in the morning dem go go hospital, dem go carry food, dem dey share am oo. Dem go carry food go in the morning, maybe tea. Dem go just reach there, dem go greet their father-in-law, daddy how are you, this that. Dem go just kiss the man comot, tell nurse make e take proper care of their father-in-law. Dem go drop food. In the afternoon, the second boy wife go go. E go still go drop food. E go take hand rub im father-in-law body. All of dem dey work, no one wey e no dey work. In the evening, the third one go go. So e no too tey, im friend come dey sick wey get so so girls. Dem come admit that one for the same hospital. People come dey say, which kind friends be all this one wey dey follow body so? na only God know why dem dey like that. So at excuse me. So as this man dey sick now, they admit am for the same hospital with his friend. The girls now, they come dey share themselves. In the morning, dem go bring food. One go bring food for im papa, e go bring im papa singlet white, e go bring water for bucket, e go put soap, wash, clean im papa body very well, e go carry brush, e go brush im papa, go give am plastic make e pour the water put. The one wey get girls, the one wey get boys come dey look im friend. Ah, wow. In the afternoon, the second woman go still come, go come do im papa the same thing. This man dey sick, e no be like who dey sick, see as e fresh. But the one wey get boys come dey say, ah God, why? When my daughter's in-laws go just come, dem just drop food, dem go comot. See this man wey get so so girls and dem dey take care of their father. The man come dey regret, say, ah God, you for still give am at least one or two girls join the boys wey you give am so. So na so dem come dey there o. And the one wey e get girls, na im dey first discharge, but na im last come. But the friend still come dey visit that man, that im friend wey get boys. So one day, na im come tell im friend say, ah, you no see, as your children dey come dey take care of you, if to say na girls you still get, if for see one or two wey for take care of am like that, shebi dem don discharge you now, you don go, you remain only am for here. Na im the friend come tell am say make e no worry, God go do am. Na im friend come tell two of im daughter say make dem help am for one thing. Na dem say daddy wetin? Come say make dem come dey help am dey take care of that man. Though una know say dem be friends, dem be like brothers. In the morning, make una cook better food come dey give am. Na so the man children come dey help their daddy friend. Before the man go, body come out small. But when the daughters in-law come, they come discover say wetin dey do that man, the man no like am. As another person, children come dey take care of their father-in-law, e no good. So when the man come reach house, na im come call im family say see wetin im friend do for am. So they no be friend o, they be brothers. But he no know how they take separate themselves when they come this earth. Na some people come dey talk say, you see, if to say na just girls now, they go say, ah, girls no good o, boys no good o. Wetin boys fit do, girls go do am. Wetin girls go do, boys go still do. Some boys dey, dem go come this earth, before dem go comot, come become man die, dem no go fit buy land, not to talk of say na house dem go build. But some girls dey, dem go work, dem go buy everything for their parents, dem go build house. E depends on wetin God give you. If you handle am well, you go enjoy. Any child wey God give you, appreciate am. I know of one boy, when im wife, the first pregnancy wey im wife get, when e born, na girl. When they come tell this boy say im wife don born, he say wetin e born say na girl. Oh, why go born girl? No be that one he pray for. Na people come ask am say you dey craze. Na you wan tell God wetin he wan give you. E go quiet. So one woman come tell am say, as you come reject wetin God give you now, you go see na so girls you go dey get o. Na come say, God forbid o. Everybody come comot. Na seminar na this thing for happen. When this girl wan born second pregnancy, girl, third one girl, fourth one girl, now I come tell the boy say, you don get plenty in-laws. Next time, if God give you something, appreciate am. But now e dey pray o, make God give am boy. I say, when the time comes for God to bless you with that boy, wey you say if you no get, you go die, na im go give you. if God not give you, those girls wey give you, then they can't take you, treat you like gold. They'll carry you like gold and silver. But don't force God to do wetin e no dey in mind. When you pray to God, you go wait for answer. You no just tell God, give me pikin today o. Na today, now I dey want am. Why? Why you go dey tell God to do wetin e no wan do for you? Dem dey see dat kain thing. Dat kain thing no dey o. But just give yourself, your family, your life to God. Na im know wetin e wan give you. Wetin you dey pray for, if God no give you, you go know say e no wan make you suffer. Because e know say dat thing, if e give you, e fit give you problem for future. But wetin e take im mind give you, na you go enjoy for your life. Girls dey, dem go cook, e no go sweet. Some boys dey wey dey cook because dem don train am. Im mama don teach am. I know of one man too wey get 6 girls. The family of the man don trouble the man sotey dem no come dey gree the woman again fit born. The woman no care. Dis woman say e go just dey do her own dey go, because if e come do anyhow dem drive am, e no get where e dey go, no papa, no mama. The only sisters wey e get now, dem no dey agree like dat. E come dey bear everything wey dis people dey do am. But one thing wey I take thank God for the woman life be say the husband no change. Dem persuade the man make e go marry for outside, but e no go know. The man say na lie, e no dey marry anything. Make I hit una. Una know wetin come happen now? Those 6 girls, 5 no dey Nigeria again. Na the last one na im dey with the parents. Wetin dem dey do for their papa now, make child fit no do am. Why you no go appreciate God if e give you pikin? Some dey wey never get dis pikin, dem dey cry. You wey God give, you dey select. Why? Please, make God to dey happy with you. When e give you something, appreciate am. Thank am very well. Oh God, thank you for the ones wey you go still do for me. If God wan give you pikin, go give you. But God no dey discriminate. Whether you be Igbo, Benin, Shekiri, Yoruba, any tribe wey you be, if God wan bless you, go bless you. The only thing wey God want make you do for am is to praise him. Appreciate anything wey he do for you. Follow the 10 commandments wey he say make you follow. When you do all those ones, there's no way wey God blessing no go visit you. God blessing must surely enter your family. If you born boy, trainer the way wey e go take know the things wey girls dey do for house and wey boys dey do for house. If you born girls, still do the same thing. No pikin dey waste o. No pikin no dey important. Because as e dey important to God, na im take give you that pikin. So e good make you dey appreciate God for wetin e dey do for you. Na only dis one na I wan tell una so. So if na boy you get o, na girl you get o, all na children, but provided train dem well, train dem in the way of God, so that at the end you go still thank God very well. Say, dis children wey you give me, I thank God for the life of the children. And God no tell you say because you no come from your dis place wey you dey, when maybe rich man family, say no go bless you. No, he go bless you. He go bless you, my brothers and sisters. Anything wey God do for us, let us appreciate it, because there's nothing wey e no fit do. Anything wey God no dey fit do, e no dey exist. Na dis small story na I say make I just tell una. If you know say you learn anything from dis story, if you know say you be that type of person wey e don born so girls, dem dey disturb you, abeg my sister, clean your eye, no cry again. you no know wetin future get for you. If you be the one wey get so so boys, God go take good daughters in-law take bless you. For the girls, God go take son in-laws take bless you. So na only that prayer na una go dey pray. Make woman no come among the boys scatter dem. Make man no come among the girls scatter dem. Those are the only prayers wey you go dey pray. God go hear you. If you need anything from this short story, abeg make una like, make una also share and give your comment in the comment section. Thank you.